Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Dragon City application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find the third option, the language, and click to the English button. And here you can find different language, for example, Espanol, Deutsch, and more. And just select one and click that and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.